And Jesus is alive.
She's my sister. And she has a sickness that's strong. So the sickness has taken long on her and tortured her for long. She got married to some man, but that man, our mother told her that when you got to this man, the mother stopped her from getting married to the man, but she tried hard to go. So a few days passed, and she was attacked by sickness. After then, the husband just dropped her in Mulago. So we're there and we were called.
So what happened here?
It came.
Can she speak?
She speaks but slow.
Very, very slow.
She's paralyzed, she cannot stand.
Lottie? Lottie? Can she sit?
She cannot sit at all.
She can't. So if you support her, can she?
She's weak, paralyzed. She cannot sit.
Try to support her so she can sit well. Can you see me? Can you see me? She cannot speak beyond their tone. What's your name? Can you come to me? Don't worry. Just come. Don't worry. God has set you free already. Just come. Just let her. Ladies and gentlemen, the woman who couldn't sit by herself, right now she's getting up. She's now getting up. Slowly. The power of God has already worked in her. She's getting up. There she goes. There she goes. She's standing up. She's getting power. She's getting power.
Tambula.
The woman who couldn't walk, she has toured. She has toured. And now she's about to walk. She's about to walk. She's gonna walk.
Tambula.
Walk. Walk. Walk.
Tambula.
Walk. Walk.
Yongeramu speed.
Increase
Tambula.
Faster.
Tambula tofayo.
Yongeramu speed.
Faster.
Yongeramu speed.
Faster. Just come.
Goberera.
Other some speed. Faster.
And Jesus is alive.